Welcome. I'm Travis Sheehan.
And I'm Dania Trejo.
We are the Sacred Everything, and we'd like to invite you to our webinar on February 22nd for Nature Reconnection, Reciprocity with the Non-Human World. And here are our speakers. Susan?
Hi, I'm Susan Arick, founder of Earthfire Institute. It's a wildlife sanctuary and retreat center located near Grand Teton National Park, where I live with native wildlife over their lifetimes, and I've seen some incredible stories that shift how we see wildlife and nature.
Thanks. Jared?
My name is Jared Archbold, and I manage programs for Wilderness Awareness School, a nature connection school near Seattle, Washington.
Thanks. And Nick?
Hey everybody, my name is Nick DiDomenico Jr. I'm the founder of Elk Run Farm, co-founder of Drylands Agroecology Research, regenerative farmer, permaculture designer, and community activist.
Thanks. We hope to see everybody there.